if I told you this giant metal claw is actually a highly advanced financial computer? Look at this massive machine. You probably think it's just a brute force mechanical lumberjack. A giant steel claw that violently grabs a pine tree, fires up a saw, chops. But if you dig a little deeper into this steel beast, you'll find a secret. This isn't just a chainsaw on wheels. It's a high-speed, profit-maximizing mobile factory. You see, out here in the timber mine, raw wood is exactly like unrefined gold ore. Every single inch counts, and the market value changes every single day of the week. So, how does the operator know exactly where to slice to make the most money? The truth is, they don't. The machine actually does all the thinking for them, instantly. Let's look inside the harvester head. Notice these thick black rubber rollers gripping the bark? As they violently rip the tree downward, they aren't just stripping away the useless branches. Hidden inside these metal arms are highly sensitive optical and mechanical tracking measurement sensors. They scan the trunk's exact diameter and length in a tiny fraction of a millisecond. It completely maps the entire physical geometry of the tree while it is still moving. But mapping the physical dimensions is only the very first layer of this complex operation. The real magic happens inside the onboard computer, hidden right behind the operator's driving seat. This computer is connected to a live database of global lumber market stock prices. It knows exactly what a 2x4 is worth today versus a much longer structural beam. As the tree feeds through, the algorithm instantly cross-references the trunk's exact physical shape. It runs thousands of complex mathematical calculations before the log even stops moving forward. It is literally predicting the absolute most profitable combination of cuts for that specific tree. If long beams are selling high today, the computer automatically adjusts the saw's stopping points. If short boards are suddenly more valuable, it completely recalculates the entire mathematical cutting sequence. It squeezes the absolute maximum dollar value out of every single piece of harvested timber. The human operator just holds a button. The machine decides exactly where to strike next. It's like having a master jeweler cutting a diamond, but doing it at lightning speed. This totally eliminates human guesswork and stops millions of dollars from being wasted annually. A single bad cut by a human could easily ruin the most valuable log section. But this hidden algorithm ensures perfect economic efficiency, optimizing the forest harvest in real time. Every log that hits the ground has already been economically perfected before it even falls. It turns a chaotic, muddy forest into a perfectly predictable, highly engineered, automated production line. We look at these massive industrial machines and see nothing but brute force and heavy steel. But the real power is always hidden in the invisible data flowing silently beneath the surface. It's just like mapping a hidden vein of silver deep underground. You need absolute precision. The hardware does the heavy lifting, but the software actually extracts the real financial wealth. Next time you see a wooden beam, remember the robotic factory that calculated its true worth. It wasn't just chopped down, it was mathematically extracted by a high-tech mechanical forest predator. The modern world is entirely built on these hidden, optimized systems working right in plain sight. You just have to know exactly where to look to find the secret mechanics hidden inside. What is the most mind-blowing hidden mechanic you have learned about in our world today? Let me know down in the comments and keep digging deeper into the world around you.